Let's talk about a GitHub repo that's changing how AI agents think and act.
The dsh-routing-suite is a toolkit for AI agents that allows them to route tasks more effectively, with a focus on runtime injectors and task-aware routing presets.
What problem is this repo solving, and who is it for?
This repo solves the problem of routing AI agent behavior dynamically during runtime. It's for developers and researchers working with AI agents who need to manage and optimize task execution based on different agent personas and behaviors.
What makes this particular solution unique compared to other approaches?
This solution is unique because it introduces a runtime injector that allows for dynamic modifications to agent behavior without restarting the system. It also includes task-aware routing presets that adapt based on the agent's role and the task at hand.
How does the runtime injector work in practice?
The runtime injector allows you to inject new behaviors or modify existing ones on the fly. This is done through a set of tools that can hot reload, side load, and even uninstall behaviors, all while maintaining the integrity of the agent's runtime environment.
What about the task-aware routing presets? How do they function?
The task-aware routing presets are configurations that guide how an agent should behave based on the specific task it's handling. These presets allow for classifications like spec, planning, react, execution, and weak model self-classification, which help in directing the agent's response accurately.
What are some of the key technical or architectural ideas specific to this repo?
One idea is the use of weak routing, which allows the model itself to determine its classification, reducing the need for explicit instructions. Another is the integration of plan mode behavior, which ensures that the agent doesn't lose context during task execution, even when personas change.
How does the nearby guidance feature work in this setup?
The nearby guidance feature injects a fixed prompt after each user message, which helps the agent stay on track. This guidance is cached and has a high hit rate, which improves routing accuracy and reduces the need for additional API calls.
What are some of the limitations or caveats of this solution?
One limitation is that the solution heavily depends on the DSH system, which may not be accessible to all users. Additionally, the complexity of the routing presets and the injector could be a barrier for beginners who aren't familiar with the DSH ecosystem.
What's the real-world impact of this repo?
In practice, this repo has been tested on Pwn P23 scenarios and has shown significant improvements in task completion rates. It allows for more precise control over AI agent behavior, which can be crucial in applications like customer service, automated reasoning, and complex problem solving.
What is the installation process like for this repo?
The installation process is straightforward. You start by cloning the repo, then run the install script. This installs the injector and copies the routing presets to the appropriate location. Manual installation is also possible with a few additional steps.
Are there any notable updates or changes in the latest version?
The latest version includes fixes for the initial routing to ensure it works as expected, and it routes guidance through the pre-step hook, which reduces the number of API calls. These changes improve performance and reduce costs.
What are the main components of the dsh-routing-suite?
The main components are the injector and the preset directories. The injector handles runtime modifications, while the preset directory contains the task-aware routing configurations that guide agent behavior based on the specific task.
What are the implications of the single-task triple anchors feature?
The single-task triple anchors feature ensures that the agent stays focused on a task by using 3 static anchors: review, convergence, and anti-topic drift. This improves the completion rate from 0% to 100% in open tasks, which is a significant achievement.
Who should care about this repo?
Anyone working with AI agents who needs precise control over task execution and dynamic behavior modification should care about this repo.